Any last words, McPherson?
You're killing an innocent man!
May God have mercy on your soul. Oh, what's wrong with that thing now?
Stop the execution! We have new evidence! The nanny cam my wife used to catch me cheating on her! With the nanny! I forgot all about it! The murder weapon was planted in McPherson's room.
My goddamn robot?
And I almost got away with it, too. I framed this fool for murder, knowing he'd get the electric chair. You see, my fetish is oblivious hand jobs.
Oh, but I've been flipping that switch for weeks.
Thanks for the spanks. LOL, ROFL.
Robot Chicken presents the first ever $100 million Kickstarter campaign! Hand Job Robot, a 2-hour feature film. Pledge now, get a tote bag. Whacking off summer 2017 briefly in theaters!
Murphy, every officer needs to do community outreach. Now you're in charge of Midland Elementary's DARE program.
Copy. Did every student receive a worksheet?
Yes, Officer Murphy.
Drug use is, you do not have a worksheet.
She can have mine.
Now you do not have a worksheet.